Alright, so welcome back to another video. This is going to be a trading video. I know it's been a while. I'm not gonna lie to you. Last video we did a psychology video, but today I'm gonna specifically be speaking about how to become a profitable trader consistently. That's the main bloody thing. Consistently. Because consistency long term is what you need. So let's get straight into it, alright? Alright. The first step to becoming a profitable trader is developing the right mindset. Trading isn't about overnight success or gambling. Obvious. Duh. Get that out of the door. Okay? Trading is about discipline and consistency. And here's the things I've learned that you can keep in mind. Okay? So we got patience. Okay? Patience is the key to success in trading. Okay? Controlling your emotions. Being willing to learn. Those type of things. So when I'm talking about patience, I'm talking about, okay, patience to wait for those A plus setups. Patience to wait for those setups that you know are the best ones. Not these ones that you're like, oh yeah, but it's conflicting with this bias and this bias in the 4 hour and I'm supposed to be selling, but it's a buy setup, but I want to take it because I haven't traded in a while. You can't think like that. You have to be patient and wait for this A plus setups, alright? There's a lot of factors that can tune into helping you become a consistently profitable trader, but I'm gonna try focus on the main things that's going to help you to get there. So I'm gonna show you the tools I use daily for you to understand what I do every day, my routine that I do, so that you can understand what a consistently profitable trader looks like, what is he supposed to look like, which I'm going to show you right now. Okay, so you need to download this app, the software called Notion. You can get it on your phone, you can get it on your desktop, wherever you want. But the main thing is about this is you can really make some quality, like pretty cool notes with it. So I'm just going to show you what I have to go through daily in order to keep track of what I'm doing and have a routine that you do every day, Monday to Friday. So the first one is you need a trading routine. You need that written down so you know, shit, okay, I need to do this, this, and this. Obviously, it's not going to be the same every day. It's not going to be the same thing, but it's good to just keep in mind what's the structure you should have and what you should and should not be doing. So a few of those things are for me. So I would first go over after I shower, get coffee, and all of that. After you woken up, you want to go over I want to go over my trading current issues. I want to go over my trading pillars. I want to go over my risk management plan, go over my A plus setup so that I can wait for those setups so I can remember, okay, this is what I'm looking for. Then you need to go, I need to go over to TradingView and do my high time frame analysis with the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, and then do a pre-London 30-minute analysis. Then, when the market opens, I will be ticking off everything before I trade, take a trade, and I do not trade during news, and I limit it to 2 wins per week, okay? Then later on, I will go to the gym, I will eat, have my whole other routine for the day. So, you need a list, for example. These are just ideas you can do, but you can list your current issues that you have in your trading. So, like mine used to be, or still is, technical issues. So you get two sides to this. You get technical and you get psychological issues. Then you get your solutions to those issues, okay? Because there's no point of listing out the issues if you don't have solutions to them. So the technical issues for me is holding my trades to the main target levels, okay? Without being like, fuck shit, I need to take profit, else I'm not gonna get this payout with this profits. Only taking A plus setups, only setting break even stops after the first target gets hit, not the first low or high. So, for example, I only set break-even stops after the first 1 hour is hit. And let's move on to the next thing. So that's psychology issues. Struggling to execute without hesitating so much. Procrastinating about the trade. Now, by procrastinating, hesitating, I do this thing where I overanalyze and I overthink it, If it's an A plus setup, if it's with your bias and all that, just take it. Just take it because you're supposed to. Okay. Then obviously there's the solutions to them, but we don't have to go over that. So then there's the trading pillars. These are the fundamental trading pillars that you need in order to build your trading up. So risk management's number one. Number two is technicality. Number three is psychology. And there's a conclusion. I love this. I wrote this all myself, so I love it. I don't even know how I came up with this stuff. Like I wrote it months ago. When you're super motivated late at night and you're super like driven to do something, that's pretty much when I wrote this down. We'll go over one though. Being able to risk a set percentage on accounts such as only 1.2% per trade on account. Technicality. There's no need for strategy hopping or switching from asset to asset. You need to strive to continuously improve your strategy month after month to define your edge as best as possible. Okay. Cool. We'll go over, and then the next one is risk management plan. Look how cool you can make this. You can add highlights. You can make the text red and green. It's all aesthetic. It's lovely. It's minimal. Yeah. So for me on a funded account, I will trade. I will risk anything above anything above the initial balance will be 2%, as written down there, and anything below break even to your initial balance, I'll be risking 1%. Because remember, we as traders are risk managers. The only thing that we really can control is when we take a trade, pressing that button, and defining our risk. Okay, very important. Then obviously personal accounts difference, depending on the account size that I have. Then now I still have to do this for my new strategy. That's why it's empty. But basically, I'm going to be putting down my technical strategy A plus setup, other technical strategy A plus setup. So it's for sell and for buy. I can show you the other one I did have for my old strategy. Was actually TJL's old strategy. So over here, we can see I have a sell setup, A plus setup notes here. This was one of the trades that I took. So nice, but you had to be quick. I remember I did this when I came back from booking my driver's license, but that ended up going horrible because of I didn't stay where I booked it, so I couldn't do it. Anyways, so your bias is sells, overall current trend. You must be weekly downtrend, daily downtrend for our downtrend confluences, daily bearish FET for our supply could be different, but that's what my A plus setup looked like. So then there's a screenshot of the higher time frame analysis, as it says on the right there, and a screenshot of the lower time frame analysis, the 5-minute, which I took trades on. All right. So then we move on to the second sort of thing you need to become a consistently profitable trader, and that's having a bloody checklist. Listen, if you don't have a checklist that you need to tick off every day when you're trading, what are you doing? Like, how are you keeping track of what you're trading? Yes, you can remember, but long term, if you end up having rules that you need to follow, steps that you sometimes screw up, this is what it's for. So, for example, this is my new strategy that I'm working on. Okay, it's called the technical strategy. I'm going to make another video about it and give it to you guys for free because I think it's awesome. And it's actually, if you just go look for it, it's literally on TradingView. But of course, I mixed it around, added all my few touches from the experience of trading that I had. And obviously, it's a lot better now. So, anyways, getting back to the trading checklist. With my trading checklist that I have for each strategy, you can see it says the name on the top. And then I'll have the steps to execute on that strategy. So high time frame analysis, 30-minute trend, check market structure, and execute. Okay. So that's the steps. Risk management. Obviously, I'll write down how much I want to risk. I will look at my Notion for that. I won't really look at this one, but it's basically the same. Then you'll have psychology. Just look at in case your psychology is shit at the moment. And then the rules that break even stops after 1 hour, etc. Okay. So you want to have that so you can, okay, let's say there's a trade pops up on your screen. What do? You check your checklist. Okay. Does it follow the higher time frame analysis? Does it have the 30-minute trend? Does it check market structure, having a market structure shift? Okay. Then I can execute. All right. If it doesn't have other things, I do not execute. Now, because I said I'm not a guru, because I said I'm not going to sell you shit or tell you, listen, guys, I'm profitable, but I'm not going to show you anything. Well, here that is. So on my funded FX in the beginning of the year, I will show you the $50,000 account that I passed. Okay, so on my funded FX, I think this is phase one. We hit the profit target of $4,000, just over the 8% target. I think I actually took a few trades. We had a lot of break evens. There's break even, break even, break even. So we had three losses, which is that's a lot. But we had our 1, 2, 3, 4 wins. Okay. Now, if we look at the statistics, okay, the statistics, the best trade was $3,500. Okay, the worst trade was $1,900. Now, this is important. My win rate was 70%. Okay, but remember that counts the break evens, so it could be technically less. My expectancy when I take a trade is 500 to make $525. That's pretty good. I won't lie. That's pretty good. That's 1% on this account. Number of trades I took was 10, and you can see simulated average win, simulated average loss. Okay, cool. And then if we go on to the daily overview, you could see the days I took the trades, and I don't know if this is, I think it's only showing a week. That's weird. I don't know why it's only showing a week, but you can just see the 2 trades that I took then and the loss before, and then the 2 break evens. I actually loved my funded FX's dashboard until I used Funding Pips dashboard. I really, really liked Funding Pips dashboard. That was super nice. And Funding Pips, getting verified with them, getting the payout on time with them as quick as possible. I love Funding Pips, and I actually recommend that as a platform beside no slippage or anything. But yeah, that's the proof. So you guys cannot be like, whoa, but Luke, like, you're not profitable consistently. Like, how do we know you've even passed the challenge before? Well, there you go. I could actually show you phase 2 just because, here's phase 2, 5% profit target. Again, just hit just over it. This one was sick. I think I had an 80% win rate. I had no losses. I don't think I had a single loss. Yeah, so I had 2 wins to pass it. I think I risked 2.5%. I can't remember, but I had 1, 2, 3 break evens basically, and what did I do? 3 break evens and 1 loss. Very, very cool. Oh wait, no losses. I mixed around with the I mixed around with the filters over here, and then I screwed up my thinking. Okay, but yeah, that's all. Listen, if you got value from this video, please, I'm begging you, like, subscribe, just leave a comment, whatever you want. And I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got value out of this. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. And if you want to see anything next, let me know. Listen, guys, I'm here to just help and to show my experiences, like I said, and to go through my experiences with you guys. And listen, there's nothing that I want for you all. Like, I'm just here to show what a real trader looks like as a 20-year-old, recently 20. And yeah, if there's anything I can help with, just let me know. Cool. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.